Okay, this is like an exhaustive set right here. This is awesome. So these are adapters. Everything from going from a little 1/4 inch up to 3/8 and 1 inch by 3/4. So if we got a 1 inch socket, which I just happen to have here, but you just happen to have a 3/8 driver or a 3/8 socket wrench, well, you can still use this thing. I don't have that size of a wrench. The biggest one I got is this one. So we can do our 1 inch to 3/4 adaptation and put this 3/4 inch monster onto 1 inch sockets. I mean, this is just wild how this stinking works. And we can go down too. So here we go. 3/4 inch, like they have the little ball hole there, down to 3/8. Or we can go 3/8, which I think would be more common for people to do, is running 3/8 maybe on one of these 3/4 inch sockets. So maybe you're going to run this giant thing on this little guy. Uh-oh, doesn't work. Oh, this is a 3/4 to 1/2 inch, by the way, not 3/8. But we want to run it with our 3/8. No problem. We'll just keep on going down here. Look at this. All right, so we're going 1 inch down to 3/4, down to 3/8, down to all right, so there we go. So we've got a 1 inch socket on a 3/4 adapter down to a 3/8, or we got a 3/4 socket. Jeez Louise, 3/4 socket down to a 1/2 inch socket onto a 3/8 adapter. And if you wanted to get really wild, look out, folks. Hey, it's Friday night. We can do whatever we want. There we go. We got our little baby 1/4 inch somehow screwing on this big honker right here. This is awesome. I mean, just amazing that we can size up or size down in one little kit. I like that everything has its place in this box. I don't know, everything about this just speaks to me. Nothing getting lost unless I'm the one losing it. Could we go down from this? All right, now we're getting somewhere. Look at this. If we just happen to be using this big sucker, we can still spin a 1/4 inch socket with that. I think what you might do is, I don't know, you got this little baby socket and you want to put it on your 1/2 inch driver. All right, there we go. So there we go. A nice exhaustive set of every adapter you'd ever need to either go up or down in size, from 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 inch. I don't even have a 1 inch socket or socket wrench, but whatever. Great set.